Okay, hello, welcome back everybody to Small Jamaica. As you know, this summer, what is better in summer than lemonade to cool you down? So we're going to make some lemonade this morning while we're talking to you about the benefits of
lime.
Lime.
So why I don't talk about the benefits and you make the lemonade?
Why? That wasn't the deal.
Because you are more, what's the word?
Adept.
You are more adept. Constipation relief.
Talk to me about that. You have that problem regular?
No, I didn't know that. It says it stimulates urinary disorders. Well, I didn't know that either. See it right there? Anti-inflammatory. What about it makes it anti-inflammatory? Which means that if you have a swelling, you drink lime and it go down?
You know what the Karen maybe did
prevents,
to build out these points a little more.
Yeah, it prevents fatigue.
Wait, let me tell you, I'm going to squeeze out these limes into the jug. And then after I squeeze out the juice, I'm going to put the lime back into the mix, the final product. True, by you can still get some more.
What is that? What? They say limes grow well in a container and in the ground, but why grow limes? So I was given the information and the health benefits of before.
Go on and see there.
Yeah, summertime lemonade. It prevents fatigue. Let me go back to what I was saying. It relieves heartburn. You know, I actually know that.
It relieves heartburn?
I actually knew that one.
I wonder if lime would actually give you heartburn.
It removes...
Because of the acidity of it.
It improves, it don't removes. It improves gum health. Why though?
I think you better Google while you...
I'm trying to figure out.
Actually, what we're doing is we're not making lemonade per se. We're making... What do you call this something over here, so?
Icicle.
Icicle.
Yeah.
Now, do you drink your lemonade with a lot of azúcar or no? Because I don't.
Not anymore. I don't with the sugar.
So then why put in sugar in there at all? You should just drink the lime and the water.
No, that can't taste good.
Why? It's actually quite nice. You don't drink lemon water?
No.
It's not.
See?
It's not.
Sugar.
It's not. Yeah. Lemon water is actually very good for you, by the way.
Lime and water?
It's good to burn calories.
So you can make popsicles with them. And you just throw them in and put them in the freezer. That's it?
Wait, that doesn't finish. You have to taste.
Let me go back to tell you what else it does. It prevents peptic ulcers.
As opposed to septic?
No, I read before. Peptic ulcer is like a sore on the inside of your stomach. So that sounds medical just now.
Yes, it does.
Yeah. Is that right?
Yes. Gonna throw back.
Why?
Because it's good for the face. Oops.
You're obvious, yeah?
Let it sit for about 20 minutes or so that it can extract the extra juice and also get the rime from the skin.
That don't sound so medical to me.
Rind.
It improves your eye health.
Some ice though.
Didn't know that either. Helps in weight loss. Didn't know that. Rejuvenates the skin. What that mean, by the way?
It makes your skin look radiant. So teaching how to make popsicles with lemonade.
So this is lime?
So yeah, it's lemonade. So you shove the...
What is those things down there?
What? Sugar excess, man. I hope. So you just fill up these little containers like so. Then, what did Scott just say? Is that Scott, by the way?
What is this?
Is Scott directing?
What is this?
I was told it tastes what?
That tastes like medicine.
Well, lime can be medicine.
Who makes, or who made that?
Kerry. So when you finish with that, I didn't get one. You put it in the freezer.
You can put this one in there?
No.
Everybody ball up.
You cannot contaminate up. That's a good one.
No.
Sugar, since... Just put it down. Since we don't have one, we just put a straw into there. Let me drink this one.
When did you make it?
It do tart.
Let me taste it, man. Are you?
It's a little on the tartish side. But that's good.
That one ain't no bad.
I think I should open a lemonade stand. Did you hear about the British officer? Stop it to untruth. It's good. Very good. It's very refreshing.
It improves respiratory disorders and it reduces body odor. We have somebody figure about 9 of them.
Oh no!
We have a case.
It's not me. No, I have to check in. These things are very important. You say you're asking what it is, but you're still eating it. Nanda, you need to sleep yet? Huh?
We're going to take a break. Paula Pinnock is up next and she'll be telling us about Funland. Well, she's not up next because news is up next.
Before her, so technically Dara is next.
Dara is up next. Dara? Hey, Dara. So.
Rick, we don't catch back here?
No, sir.
Yeah. Cheers.
No, sir.